Experience the serenity of waterfront living at its finest. You are greeted by an oversized 3-car garage with a finished floor. You will enjoy the spacious, open floor plan that has been completely remodeled to highlight the bayfront water views. You will immediately see the workmanship that went into designing, building and ultimately remodeling this home. High-quality cabinets and vaulted ceilings create a spacious feeling while still keeping the warmth of a home that just feels comfortable. A beautiful fireplace for cool winter days also highlights the open floor plan. Each of 4 spacious bedrooms and has its own private bathroom. The workmanship in the master bath highlights the master suite. The beautiful screened-in swimming pool is the place to watch the sunset. The home has highly desired deep water access year-round for your boats. It includes a large dock with fish cleaning station, a covered boat lift for a plus 25 feet boat and mooring for larger boats. Must see to appreciate this gem. When you decide that it is time to start enjoying life on Choctawhatchee Bay in this beautiful custom home, know that you are only a short 10-minute drive from excellent dining, great shopping and lots of family activities. The main gate to Sandestin Golf and Beach Resort, a 2,400-acre resort with endless family activities and 7+ miles of pristine beaches, is only 5 miles from your driveway. A 5-mile drive in the other direction.